Hi everyone! Do you know every liquid in this world have their own viscosity? Do you know what is viscosity of liquid? Well, viscosity is the measure of its resistance to gradual change in shape. It is simple to say that the viscosity of liquid is the thickness of the liquids. There are 3 experiments involving viscosity of liquids that I would like to show you. Let's start! The apparatus needed are First experiment is, how does liquids give an impact to the strength of the magnet? Before we proceed, I would like to remind you to always be careful when doing or handling any experiment. Safety first! Now, fill each liquids into different beakers about 100 milliliters. Then, put 4 paper clips into each beaker. As we can see, the paper clip in the water attracted to the magnet is the fastest than other liquids. The paper clip in the hand wash attracted to the magnet is the slowest. What makes this thing happen? In water, the molecules move freely because there's not much forces of attraction between the molecule. That makes the paper clip to move faster in the liquid, while in the hand wash, there is a strong force of attraction between the molecule. The hand wash is thicker than the other liquids, which makes the paper clip hard to move. So, we can say that the higher the viscosity of liquids, like hand wash, the slower the movement of the paper clip to attract to the magnet. Then, the lower the viscosity of liquids, like water, the faster the movement of the paper clip attracted to the magnet. Hi! Next experiment is about comparing the speed of the marble sink in different viscosity of liquids. Without wasting much time, let's start! First, fill about 100 milliliters each of the liquids in different measuring cylinder. Make sure there are no air bubbles in the liquids. The marble reached to the bottom of the measuring cylinder at a different time. Why? The reason is the same as in the previous experiment, because of the intermolecular forces between the molecule of the liquids. Besides, the thickness of the liquid can make the marble sink slowly in the liquids. This is because the molecule in the thick liquid, like hand wash, resists the movement of the marble, making it sink slowly. So, the stronger the intermolecular forces of attraction, the greater the viscosity. The greater the viscosity, the slower the marble sink in the liquid. Hi! Now I would like to show you another experiment about viscosity, this time involving temperature. Now, we can start. First, set up the apparatus like this. Heat the water in the beaker until it boils. Next, put ice and a bit of water into another beaker. Fill 2/3 of the 3 boiling tubes with honey and label each of the boiling tube with A, B, and C. Next, the boiling tube A is heated in the boiling water for 10 minutes. Boiling tube B in the test tube rack and boiling tube C is cooled in the icy water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, place all the boiling tubes in the test tube rack. Then, place a marble on the mouth of the boiling tubes. Release the marble at the same time. Why does the temperature make the viscosity different even though it is the same type of liquid? Well, viscosity generally decreases when the temperature increases. This is because at higher temperature, the greater average kinetic energy of the molecules in the honey can overcome intermolecular forces more easily. As a result, the resistance in the honey becomes weaker when the temperature increases. We can conclude that the viscosity of the liquids increases by floor temperature,